Hey, what's going on? It's Kevin J. Pineau. In this video, we're going to talk about 10 reasons why people buy. All right, if you're new here, I like to talk about affiliate marketing and getting an education on how to build a business online and reviewing my favorite products and services that'll help you do that. If you're interested in growing an online income and learning these skills to develop your business, make sure you grab the subscribe button and hit the bell notification so you never miss a video. I am as real as it gets, man. Now, the first reason why people buy, it'll make them money. If you had a product out there that you could put a little bit of money into and it would make you more money, more than what you started with, wouldn't you buy it? Wouldn't you be interested in doing that? That's number one. Number two, it will save you money. Isn't it always nice to purchase something that is going to cut your costs over the long term or short term or right away, or give you discounts on anything else that you're purchasing? That's a great reason. That's a reason I buy a lot of things. Number three, it's going to save you time. It's always a great thing to save time. People like to get things done. There's one guarantee in life, well, there's two: death and taxes. We all know that someday our time is going to be up. So if you can find a way to save someone time, they're more likely to buy from you. Number four, avoid effort. Isn't it always nice to not have to put in as much work as you thought you had to in the beginning? That's a great way to motivate someone to buy, is to help them avoid effort. Number five, escape mental or physical pain. Number five, escape mental or physical pain. Nobody likes headaches. Nobody likes to be hurting. Nobody likes pain. Why do you think there are so many different types of painkillers out there? Aspirin, Tylenol, ibuprofen, the list goes on and on and on. CBD is now a big thing. And what is one of the big selling points is it's going to help you avoid pain, avoid headaches. If you can twist that into or work that into your marketing, you'll get more sales. Number six, get more comfortable. Doesn't everyone like a nice bed? Don't you? Nice comfortable clothing. I like wearing sweaters. Sweaters are very comfortable. I used to wear hoodies a lot, but I'm getting a little older. Don't need to wear a hoodie all the time. People want to be comfortable, man. That's why people spend thousands and thousands of dollars on a purple mattress or something along those lines, because they want to feel comfortable. You see it. Next time you watch a commercial on furniture, watch that and see what they try to spin on how he sits on it, or the way they're going to focus on how he makes you feel. Number seven, achieve cleanliness or better hygiene. Why do you think everyone wants their teeth cleaned and bright and white? It's always a benefit to feel clean, to feel cleansed, to feel good. All right. That is another reason why people buy. To gain praise. That's number eight. People like praise. Little kids, they love being praised. People will buy things if they think that they're going to get some sort of praise for actually buying what they're going to buy. So it's another great tactic is to employ that or implement that into your sales piece or your marketing. Now we're going up to 10. Let's keep pushing it. Number nine, feel more loved. Why do you think people call 1-800 flowers all the time? Because it's gonna show them that you appreciate them, and it's gonna make you feel more loved. That's why people buy gifts for Christmas. Well, not just Christmas, but like birthday gifts and special occasions and jewelry and fine clothing. People like that, and people enjoy feeling loved. Number 10, increased popularity or social status. Why do you think people overextend themselves to get a nice Mercedes-Benz when they can only afford a Honda Civic? Is because of the social status of what that image projects. It's called keeping up with the Joneses, all right? So you got these 10 things that are all intertwined. When you're putting your marketing together or promoting your products or services, you want to try to get all of these things in place. Now, I want to offer you something that'll help you save time, money, frustration. You can actually monetize it and turn it into big commissions if you implement it right. And it'll help you avoid the headaches of learning how to grow your business on your own and just stumbling along the way. You can avoid those stumbling blocks by going down in the description and checking out my #1 recommended training to grow a full-time income online. And you could start it part-time. It's down there, first link in the description below. And make sure you hit the subscribe button and stick around to the next video that's coming up right now.